Using Apple Pay at Costco gas stations is a convenient and secure way to pay for fuel. To get started, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a valid credit or debit card added to your wallet app. First, open the wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Follow the prompts to enter your card information and verify your identity with your bank. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay at Costco gas stations. When you arrive at the Costco gas station, pull up to the pump and select your fuel type. Next, open the wallet app on your iPhone or double-click the side button on your Apple Watch to access your default card. Hold your device near the contactless payment reader at the pump and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If you have multiple cards in your wallet app, you can switch between them by tapping the card you want to use. You can also use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and holding the watch near the payment reader. To confirm the payment, you will see a check mark on the screen and hear a beep. You will also receive a receipt on your device. Make sure to take your receipt and fuel up. It is also important to note that you need to be a Costco member to use the gas station. You will be asked to enter your membership number at the pump before you can start fueling. Using Apple Pay at Costco gas stations is a secure and convenient way to pay for fuel. Your actual card number is not stored on your device, and your transactions are encrypted. You can also use Apple Pay for other purchases at Costco, such as in the warehouse or at the food court. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay at Costco gas stations and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers.